Viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we will be preparing chin chin, delicious and yummy chin chin. Here already the table is set for preparation. This is sugar, 1/4, 1/4 of cup. The flour is 250 grams, a pinch of nutmeg, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of milk flavor, and then 1 tablespoon of baking, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The recipe, the current ingredients will be shown. It's on the description box. You can check to see how it is. Here, this is the butter, and then 1 cup of milk. Butter, this is 1/8 cup. So we're going to mix everything up, and then we'll cut the batter. Keep on. We are now mixing the dry ingredients together. Add the butter. We are now adding the liquid milk.
Yes, my brother. I know you want to come to me yesterday, and now you have the picture that can be taken. Now you're back in the car alone. Excuse me? I can assist you in these negotiations. I've been working with the athletes for over a decade now.
Here is our egg. I'm going to be adding it. Okay. Mix it together to form a dough. Here we'll add a little water. Soften it a bit. Anytime you are preparing chin chin, make sure you don't use all the flour. You need to keep some flour so that in case you need it, because you won't want the dough to be sticky to your hands. In order to remove the sticky dough, you need flour to do that. Yeah, Here is the, you make sure you use flour to remove the dough, sticky dough from your hand. It will make the work easier and faster. Our dough is ready. You have to prepare your work surface.
This is a meeting decades late. Where should we start? Fixation?
This is the roller, rolling pin. Make sure you rub flour on it. It will help it to smoothen fast.
I know tell me what on your mind. I will not trust. And of the great minds here have had functions often. Or is this that we kill 200 today and go to war with our people? Not to make life easy. We're quite good at going